Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today what we're going to do is a just quick video on the zip tie mod or the cable or the throttle cable mod for these OBS Fords. Now you can use zip ties, things like that, but I have this tool that I ordered on Amazon. It's about 15 bucks for the tool, and then if you order the kit, it's around $20. That comes with these little ferrules or whatever they're called. But I'm going to use a washer, two of these guys, and this to help the process on crimping them. Same thing applies if you want to use zip ties. You can use zip ties. I just wanted something a little bit more sturdier to add onto the throttle cable right there. I don't know if you can see, but the plastic retainer on mine actually broke. So you see, when I push on the pedal, it makes contact with the vinyl right there. All right, now just for demonstration purposes, this is I don't have like a tripod or anything to set that up in there. I already have it crimped on there, but more or less, let's just pretend that this long strand of the wire right here is the wire for the throttle cable. So when you cut off or what I did was I cut off the original crimped lug that I had on there, and then all I did was I slid this ferrule. Alright, so I slid on the ferrule basically onto there, and I just have this sacrificial piece. You can leave it a little bit longer. So let's say like this, and you can add another ferrule on this side. But basically it's a washer, the ferrule, and that's just how I have it. Basically like this. You can add another one of these, but let me go ahead and get it crimped so you can see what it looks like. But if you get this tool, the ferrule crimper, it comes with a kit for like $20. And you get like 50 of these ferrules, so you can use it for other projects. But let me go ahead and crimp this real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get this with one hand, but you essentially just squeeze it. All right, so just squish it, right? And then you can go all the way down if you want, but once a tool stops, I figured that's a pretty good indication that it's crimped. Sorry, trying to get this thing to focus. There we go. So what you get is, trying to get it to focus, really nice crimp on this, and I've never had any one of these fail for the other projects that I've used. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you what I did over there at the Bronco. All right, we're back here at the Bronco, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's try to point it out here. That is the original crimp lug that's on here, and this thing, I have it scooted so it's basically as far back as it can go, and that I have the crimp. But yeah, it's basically all it is. I have that washer. There's a back plate. No, it's not gonna come out or anything. Right now, the way it sits, you'd have to lift up the cable kind of forcibly. You kind of have to push that bar back a little bit to get it out, but hope it helps. Like and subscribe.